I think the boys just need to touch each other a little bit more to get. There can be 150 touches on each other. Nash leads the league with the most touches, 256 touches per game. And non-shooting foul.
Now you're on Tom.
Inbound to Eric. Over to Danny. Back to Eric. Eric stops the dribble. Showing off his skills.
Good job, Andy. Stay with him. Get forward. Nice.
Jed with the
Back.
Hobbs gives it away to the Pirates. Non with a miss. Eric gets the rebound. Al's getting a little stretched. Fredo.
What are you pressing?
How do you what? There's a drinking fountain over there. Looking a little bush league. We're playing in the F League right now. And he holds the dribble, keeps the ball inbound. Over to Robert. Robert up to Eric in the middle. Eric gets the bank shot. Go tight. Brings up the ball. And Squeeze gave that one away. Eric keeps the dribble. Nah, you guys touched it, dude. Stop trying to call the game, Polska. Get your head in it. So holds the dribble at the top. Looking for somebody. He's got nobody to pass to. Takes it in for the easy two. Oh wait, they're calling that a three. We'll have to check the tape at the next break. Foot might have been on the line. Goes into the hard. It's nothing. Blocking foul. Oh, it's a grab ass. Boys, call a timeout. Game on. Game on. Game on. Down the ball. Polska stops the dribble. Back out to toe tight. Javier gives up the dribble. Pirates ball. Robert bringing it up. Almost loses the dribble, but he covers. Gets the shot off, no good. Polska. Drawing the full court press all the way down with Eric.
Get that.
And Shin bounce to Hop. Hop kicks it back out to Mike, over to Hop. Oh. Off the hands of the Cuisinart.
Hold that rail. Good job.
Right one down.
What happened? What happened?
Hey, what is that?
Is that a foul?
Yeah.
Is that a foul?
Moko picks up another. I think that might be his third. Javi loses the dribble out of bounds. Nip. Nip hits the tray. Beautiful Jamie. Oh. Marcin. There's a fight on the floor. I understand. That's a wacky rule. Oh! He throws it to nobody. That ball goes all the way into the stands.
Yeah!
Nice, Mike.
Good job, Mike.
Keep it up, Mike.
Like the floater. Pirates bring the ball. Loses the dribble. Air ball. Air ball. The Pirates can't hit shit right now. He just said 27 seconds left in the quarter, or the third half. We're playing 4 halves. Down. Almost loses the dribble. Eric, last chance to shoot the ball. That will not count. High fives all around for the boys. Depression for the Pirates. I'd like to thank myself for the commentating. Should be a stripper here, my co-commentator, but Eric did not make that happen. Anyways, thanks for watching.